A bad boy or a boy bad? Come with me, learn adjectives. Hello English friends! Teacher José Luiz today bringing you a short tip on positions for adjectives in English. But teacher, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that qualifies or gives extra information to a noun. And this information can be, for example, about opinion, amazing movie, about age, old man, or about size, large city. The most common position for adjectives in a sentence is before a noun. For example, bad boy, good boy. A little extension to this is when we add articles, definite articles or indefinite articles. So from bad boy, I can go to a bad boy. Green book, adjective green, noun book. The green book or a green book. Definite articles or indefinite articles. And then a complete sentence becomes, for example, he's a bad boy. He is, verb to be, is a article, bad boy. Bad is the adjective, in this case will come between the article a and before the noun boy. Another really common position for adjectives in English is after verb be. So I can say he is a bad boy, or I can say the boy is bad. Is verb to be, bad is the adjective. The girl is intelligent. The students are nice. So as you can see, the adjective coming before verb to be in these cases is or are. Surprise, surprise, but there are words which are not adjectives but work as adjectives. For example, when I say taxi driver, the taxi in this case is not an adjective, is a noun, but it helps form what we call in English compound nouns. We have two nouns, and the first one, although is not an adjective, works in the position of an adjective. Taxi driver, it's a driver who drives a taxi. So the taxi, like an adjective, qualifies the driver. So in short, in this video I told you about 3 basic usages for adjectives. Usage 1, before a noun. Usage number 2, after verb be. Or usage number 3, an adjective in disguise. Nouns which come before other nouns but also working as adjectives. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel, give us a big like and share this content with your friends. Bye bye, see you next!